Okay, this is we will make the high-rise building. Okay, first of all, we can use the rectangle in here. This is the tools of the rectangle. Click from this origin. Then we can set about the area of this high-rise building approximately just like this. Okay, then this is about the plan, and then we can select push pull. We can push it up. Okay, we can push it up approximately just like this. Okay, so this is about the basic form of this high-rise building or multi-level building. Now we can explore about how to make the attractive massing of this high-rise building. We can use the 2-point arc, and then we can also click from this edge and pull the line, pull the arc until this ground. Okay, then we can click approximately in this position. Then we can preserve, don't touch about this edge, but we can place to this position approximately. Okay, then we can click this surface and select push pull. Now we can push it until to the limit, or maybe we can make we can make the several podium in here. We can make the podium in here by click the line and make the little line in here. We can click the surface and select push pull until the limit. Okay, so this is about the podium, and then we can click this line and select move. Then we can move this line like this. Okay, just like this, and then we can add more barrier in here and push it until the limit. Then we can also push it to the behind. We can also push it to the behind, and then we can make the another experimental curve in here. We can subtract. We can subtract with another rectangle in here. We can push it until to the limit, until to this position. I mean, sorry. Okay, then or we can make more extension in here, and we can add the line. We can add the line in here. Okay, then we can push it to the front here. So this is the another cantilever. This is the another cantilever building in here. Okay, right now this is the basic form, and then we can triple click first and then make group. Okay, then we can assign about the materials. We can use the curtain wall materials or the glazing materials for this basic form. Okay, then now we can assign about the slab materials in here. This is the slab materials, and also this one. This is only slab, and this is only slab materials. We can push it inside. We can offset it inside and push it down a little bit. This is the rooftop. Okay, and then yeah, we can try to render this one. We can screenshot this one. We can screenshot with our tool screenshot in here. Okay, then we can copy it to the Gemini and paste in here. And anyway, I've already designed about this prompt for the commercial building. We can copy it. Okay, right click and select copy, and then we can activate about the nano banana, create the picture, and then we can paste the prompting in here. Then we can click this send here and just wait about the rendering progress. It takes several times because it's calculate our prompt for the beginning step. Then I've already prepared about it. Okay, this is about the result. Okay, this is about the result, and so you can see about the result, or we can add more. We can try to make the another or we can try to make the another prompting by screenshot again or copy it again. Okay, we can copy it and paste in here again, and then we can copy it again. We can use this copy tool and just paste in here. Then we can select the send. Okay, and select the send. Then we can wait again about the calculation of this rendering prompting in here. Okay, it takes several times, so we have to be patient about the waiting. Okay, I think it looks like more impressive. It's look like more attractive anyway. It's give us the inspiration about the landscaping. It gives us the inspiration about the impression about the glazing placement in here, and it gives us inspiration about the environment setting. So it's look like the amazing rendering of the commercial or high-rise building. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join this membership of this channel, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.